Hello friend, how are you? Today I will solve this simply and we are given that p equal to 9 over 5, then find out p root 3 plus 1 by p root 2 equal to 9, root 3 equal to 1. Here let's go start to start by given that we have equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. Here, what's that? P equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. So, here we think P root 3 can write P root 3 into P root 3 equal to root 3 also. So here we can find out root 3 equal to 1. So first we find root 3, value of root 3. So we can write here then first problem we can solve. Here we given that 4 root 5. We find out the factorize, and 2 we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b square. So we can write, because it a square plus b square plus 2ab, then we can write a plus b whole square. So we factorize it. Here given that 4 root 5 is 2, so we divide by 2 is equal to 2 root 5. Then we factorize this, that squaring and this plus is 9. So how can it possible? If we square 2 plus square root 5, then we can write here is 9. So we write here p is equal to 5 plus 4 root 5. Everybody understand that? Here we factorize and we can write 9 is 5 plus 4, and we can write it according to that. Here is 4 root 5, then we factorize is 2 square plus 5 root 5 square is equal to 9. So we can write p equal to root 5 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 root 5. Okay, here is and a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write a plus b whole square plus b whole square. Then p equal to root 5 plus 2 whole square. If we square root both sides, then we can write p is equal to root p is equal to root 5 plus 2. So now we can write from p root p plus 1 by p root p. Now we find out 1 by root p. So we can write 1 by root p is equal to 1 by root 5 plus 2. Now we multiplying the denominator and numerator by root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 2 by root 5 square minus 2 square is equal to root 5 minus 2 square and root cancel, and 5 by minus 4 is equal to root 5 minus 2 by 1. So 1 by root p is equal to root 5 minus 2. Here we find out p root p plus 1 by p root p. Here is sign is plus, so we add, so root p, so root p plus 1 by root p is equal to root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 minus 2, cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, so root p plus 1 by root p equal to 2 root p. Okay, now we get here given that p root p plus 1 by p root p, we can write root p all cube plus 1 by root p all cube, because of root p and p is equal to, can write all square, and root p equal to root p all cube. Now we can write a cube plus b cube, a plus b all cube minus 3a into b, a plus b. Okay, here we use this formula, root p plus 1 by root p all cube minus 3 root p into 1 by root p into root p plus 1 by root p. Okay, root p and root p is cancelled. Here the value of root p plus 1 by root p is equal to 2 root p all cube minus 3, the value is 2 root p root 5 equal to here 2 cube and root 5 cube minus 6 root 5, here 8 and 5 root 5 minus 6 root 5 equal to 40 root 5 minus 6 root 5 is equal to 36 root 5. Okay, here the answer of root p into root p plus 1 by p root p is equal to 36 root 5. Okay.